In this tutorial, I'll show how to log in to the back-end administrative control panel and explain a few of the primary functions each group can perform. First, you enter the URL yourdomain/administrator. Replace your domain with your actual domain name. To access the back-end administrative control panel, you must be a member of the Manager, Administrator, or Super Users group. To see what a manager can do, let's log into the Admin Control Panel with a user in the Manager group. From the Admin Control Panel, a manager can perform all of the content management functions that are possible from the front end, such as create, edit, and publish articles. In addition, a manager can manage categories, access the Media Manager, manage banners, contacts, news feeds, and web links. Now let's find out what an administrator can do. First, log out of the current user and log in with a user in the administrator group. An administrator can do everything that a manager can do, plus access and manage menus, manage users, groups, and access levels, but only up to administrator level. An administrator cannot manage super users. Access, install, update, or uninstall components, modules, and plugins. Manage languages. Manage templates. Finally, let's see what the super users group can do. Log out of the current user and log in with a user in the super users group. A super user, also called super administrator, can do everything an administrator can do, plus update global configuration, add or update other super user accounts. When you are finished with the back-end admin control panel, click Log Out to leave.